Cutting-edge technology makes driving more fun. Around the clock, OnStar has got your back. Always connected, it's the perfect assistant when no one else is in the car. When it's time to stop, the 360-degree surround vision camera provides an overview of your surroundings, and the advanced park assist helps you even in the tightest of spots. Back in the driver's seat, the adventure continues with advanced innovations for a safer, more relaxed driving experience. When turning on Grandland X's lighting technology, the LED headlamps with adaptive forward lighting provide optimum visibility in various driving situations. They're 30% brighter than halogen lights. Easily reached, the IntelliGrip function holds you firm and steady in adverse road conditions. The Grandland X also recognizes a variety of dangerous situations ahead of the road. It warns the driver of any impending danger acoustically before an automatic brake saves the day. In case of unintentional drifting out of the lane, the system gently steers the car back to safety. And as always, you've arrived. Opel, the future is everyone's.